Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code on Fedora Linux 40 or 41 versions. Open any web browser, go to code.visualstudio.com. For Fedora Linux we have to download this RPM package, or even if you go to download, still we have to download this RPM package. So click on .rpm. Wait a moment, it is going to download. See, download has been started and its size is 137 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, we will install the VS Code and its version is 1.96. Also verify all applications VS Code. See, we don't have any default VS Code. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls, see here we have the RPM package. We have to install it on sudo rpm-ivh, then give the code, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package and hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, installation completed successfully. Go to start, show applications. See, here we have the VS Code. Even you can try here. See, we have the VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. We can open by clicking on this VS Code application, or go to terminal and type code and hit enter. Wait a moment, it will be opened. See, we got the VS Code application. Okay, so ls, remove this file which is not required because we have already installed. Then give code, give the tab to autofill entire RPM package. Hit enter. ls, see here we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VS Code latest version, that is 1.96 on Fedora Linux operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.